How to reset APN settings. In this video, I'll show you how to reset APN settings on your Android phone. Resetting your access point name or APN settings can help fix issues with mobile data, MMS, or network connectivity. Start by opening the Settings app. Then tap Network and Internet, Connections, or SIM card and mobile network, depending on your device. Next, select your SIM card if you use dual SIM, then tap Access Point Names, or APN settings. Once you're on the APN screen, select Reset to Default, or Reset Access Point Names. Confirm the reset if prompted. After the reset is complete, restart your phone to ensure the new network settings are applied. If mobile data still isn't working, make sure your carrier's APN settings are installed correctly or contact your mobile network provider. That's it! You've successfully reset the APN settings on your Android phone, which can help restore your mobile data and network connection. If you find this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.